Hello, hello, hello. Grandma Prepper here and crazy as a loon. Yeah, no, I know. It still hasn't changed. Alrighty. So today I'm very excited. I just got a shipment in the mail and I can think prepping outside the box for this. If you haven't checked out his channel, please do so. He actually did a review on these items that I am about to show you. My very favorite company for lighters is Zippo. Now, yes, Bic too, don't get me wrong, but Zippo is my favorite. I love Zippo lighters because they just light all the time. And they have a new product. Well, it's probably not new, but it's new to me. Typhoon matches. I am not going to review these for you because they've already been reviewed by Prepping Outside the Box. But I guarantee you, you will love his videos. Or, excuse me, his review video. These things, you can throw them in water and soak them and pull them out and light them. Or you can light them and throw them in water, pull them out of the water and relight. And they relight on their own. It's so amazing. I was just floored, okay, and very, very happy. So those are the Typhoon matches from Zippo. This box is again from the Zippo company, and yes, more fire. Okay, so little background. I love fire and I hate fire. Seriously, it's a love-hate relationship. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so this will help you light your fire. And this is the... I apologize for that noise in the background if you heard that. That was way too loud. That was a TV. So this is your fire starter, and this actually holds these fire starter, and it actually will light them. So awesome. And of course I got extras, and I couldn't help myself. It's from Zippo. So I went ahead and got the tender shreds as well. When I go camping, I don't care if it's rain or shine. I'm happy to go camping in the rain, so all of this is going to help me start fires. And, of course, fire starter. It's a Meg Strike, tender shreds, and bellow. So anyway, I just wanted to show this off. I am so excited to get all of this today. I've been waiting for it for what seems like forever. But this is all going to go into camp gear. I bought one set to go in my bug out bag for emergencies, but otherwise the rest of it's just going to go into camp because that's where it will get used most.